What's up, guys? Ben Storick here again with the Goosky RS4. We've got the head pretty much done. Just got to make the links up and put the bolts in and stuff like that. I've got the frame built. We're currently on step 14 of the manual, and yeah, the build's going great so far. This video is going to be similar to the one before. If you haven't watched it, go watch that now and then come back to this one. But it's going to be like a little time lapse of the build. And here's the battery. We got the Goosky 1800 milliamp 6S high voltage cells. Super excited about this build, so let's get into it. So we've got quite a bit done in that last part of the time lapse. As you can see, we got the tail section built, tail boom's on, tail control rod is built, got the tail bellet in there all set up, tightened down, got the head all built and the links built up. It's looking great so far. Got the ESC mounted in there. Pretty cool way the ESC mounts in there. It actually bolts into the frame, as you can see there, with 4 bolts. And then the motor just plugs directly right into the ESC. And you get this ESC with the PNP version of the Goosky RS4 kit. Very nice. Getting there, guys, almost there. Let's continue on. Alright guys, we are all done with the build on the Goosky RS4. This thing is so sick, guys. Check it out. The build went great. I had no issues. The manual was very good. We got the gyro mounted. Got my little micro Futaba RX, just the S-Bus receiver. Yeah, man, loving it. There's a little size comparison for you guys. The Goosky S2 and the Goosky RS4. RS4 is quite a bit bigger. Both amazing helicopters. Alright guys, that'll about do it with the build of the Goosky RS4. I want to get this thing out to the field and get some flying in with it. There'll be a flight video coming very soon. If you like this video, please give it a like and also subscribe to the channels. That'd be great. You can get this heli at HeliDirect.com. You can get them in 3 different colors. Yeah, go check it out. They're all very nice colors. But this is the white and blue version. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.